Hey friends, if you wish to fix error 1719 Windows installer service cannot be accessed on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to verify the Windows installer service status. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the Windows installer service, right click on it and then select properties. In many of these cases, you cannot change the details of the service, but if you can, then try changing it to automatic and click on start. The next solution is to unregister and re-register the service. All you need to do is copy these two commands that I have mentioned in the description section of the video. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. The last solution will be an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.